Hey y'all, it's your girl CiCi coming back at you with another one. And today I am back in my childhood bedroom. I'm visiting, it's my summer break, so I'm here. Today I decided I wanted to do a get ready with me and get to know me video because I've never done a get ready with me video, and I also haven't really said much about me and who I am and stuff. So I want you guys to get to know me, and I would like to get to know you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I pulled up some questions, so I have somewhere to go with this. Today is a chill day, so I'm not doing anything crazy. Number one, full name. So my full name is Tracy Nicole Veronica Jones. Veronica is my confirmation name. Number two, zodiac sign. I am a Virgo. Most of what you read about Virgos is very accurate for me, so. Number three, fears. I'm afraid of heights. I'm very afraid of heights. I'm afraid of spiders. And three things I love. Definitely my family, my best, and my friends. And I love music. So yeah, family, friends, and music. My best friend, if you've watched our video, you already know who that is. Her name is Jessie Almodovar. She's literally my best friend in the entire world, and I'm so lucky to have her. Been best friends for over 20 years now. It's kind of insane. Okay, last song I listened to. Let's see what it was. All the Stars. That was the last song I listened to. Three turn-ons. I like someone that is ambitious, can hold a conversation. That's huge for me. And funny, definitely. I need someone with humor. I love to laugh and make people laugh, and I'm very sarcastic, so someone with a good sense of humor is very important. Three turn-offs. I'd have to say my number one turn-off would be smoking. I hate it. When people have too much machismo, gender roles and stuff, they think women belong in the kitchen and they're just incredibly old-fashioned. I hate that so much. And people that are self-centered and obsessed with themselves. What color underwear am I wearing right now? That's kind of personal, but I'll share anyway. I'm wearing gray. They're gray. I'm wearing Thinks because it's actually the time of the month, so I'm wearing the cotton gray ones. How many tattoos and piercing do I have? I have 5 ear piercings and 1 tattoo on my ribs. It says One Sweet Day. I got it for my grandparents. The reason I started YouTube, I just needed a creative outlet, and I had always loved YouTube. I've watched YouTube forever, and yeah, I just was you know what, this is a new beginning for me and a fresh start, and I was in a new place, and I was you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So that first video I have was actually from my first vacation. I went by myself, completely alone on vacation for a week, and that's where I created my first video. So yeah, creativity, independence. Okay. How I feel right now? I feel happy. I'm on break, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And I'm also really excited for the weekend because I have chapter retreats. I'm gonna get to see my chapter sisters. So for my sorority, which is New Single Epsilon Sorority Incorporated, it's a multicultural organization. It's amazing. Something I really, really want people to treat each other better, honestly. on the internet, in real life. It's just a lot of violence and hate, and it's very discouraging and disgusting. It makes me really upset about being where we are in the world today. So yeah. My current relationship status, single. I'm single. Single and ready to mingle. Meaning behind my URL. I'll say this for my Tumblr because I just restarted it. So I think my Tumblr URL is Life's a Peach. And so if you watch the video with me and my best friend, we talked about our nicknames, and mine is Peach Slice. And so I said Life's a Peach because it's sweet. It's kind of rough on the outside, you know, but at the end of the day, when you get in there, it's nice and sweet and juicy, and it's just, that's life to me. So that's what my Tumblr is. My favorite movie. Like, one of my favorite movies growing up, and even still now, is Remember the Titans. And I loved The Lion King growing up. But Moana is amazing also. So, I love Disney movies. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that there. My favorite song is, probably You Are Not Alone by Michael Jackson. Because that was like me and my grandma's song. 3 things that make me happy. Being with family and friends just makes me happy in general, honestly. I love being around the people that I love. I love puppies. Like, how can you not be happy around puppies? And music. Music is such a big thing. Like, it can change your mood. So, music makes me happy. Someone I miss, my Mima. I miss her every day. She passed away when I was 10, and it's still, I don't know, I still have those moments where it's really fresh and I still cry about it because I feel like I didn't get the time with her that I wanted to have, you know? So I think it's very important not to take your grandparents for granted, because they're probably here with us the shortest amount of time, so, and they're amazing. My relationship with my parents. So, my mom is basically my best friend now that I've moved out the house, grown up, dealing with adult problems and basically real life. And my dad is just so supportive. I feel like I can talk to him about almost anything, so I have a really great relationship with them. My favorite holiday, I do love Christmas still. And I love Thanksgiving. I love holidays where it gets the family together, honestly. So it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Though I love Halloween, I love dressing up. My closest YouTube friend, I actually don't have any YouTube friends. So if you want to be my friend, hit me up. Someone famous I date. I was just talking about this. I love Trevor Noah. I would date him in a heartbeat. He is handsome and funny and smart, and he's just the full package right there. Confession. Okay, this is one that people might find weird. I hate eggs. Like, I hate them in any form. Omelets, sunny side up, with ketchup, with pepper. I've tried them basically any way you make them, and I just hate eggs. I'm sorry. My favorite animal is a wolf. I love wolves. They're closest to dogs, which is my favorite pet. Yeah, I love wolves. That's literally my spirit animal. They're just so amazing. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say. My pets. I don't have any pets anymore. I miss my dog Trey a lot. So I want to get another dog at some point, for sure. But for now, I don't have any pets. Where I work at an elementary school. I am a kindergarten teacher. I love the little ones. So that's that. Future goals. I have a lot of future goals. I would like to possibly get into interior design. I want to go to Europe. And, you know, eventually, I wouldn't say this is a goal. Well, yeah, I guess it's a goal. I would like to get married and have kids. I think being a mom is like a huge goal for me. Something I fantasize about, hitting the lotto, honey. That sounds bad, but it's so true. Me and my parents talk about it all the time. Like, we just, all the debt we'd want to pay off. You know, pay off all that debt, get in a good place, and just give back. Like, that's just all I think about. My favorite store? Online or in person? My favorite stores are like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. For sure, I'm obsessed. Have a problem. An addiction, I'm aware. Online stores, Amazon and Fashion Nova. Honestly. What I did yesterday. I guess I'll go through my day. I picked up my air mattress from my friend. Went to Dunkin' Donuts. I put air in my tire. I went to the car dealership to get my like oil change and stuff, and found out I have to replace my tires. And then I ate Chinese food for dinner with my parents, and we went to Walmart. And then we got Dairy Queen, and I got a cookie jar blizzard, which is, in case you didn't know, it's Oreo and cookie dough blended together, and it's absolutely delicious. It's my favorite thing ever. Idea of the perfect date. I think eating a meal is always good. Getting to sit down and eat because food's involved and you're probably both happy about that. And you also get a chance to talk to each other. And then I think doing a fun activity is always good, like mini golf or go-karting or pool, I don't know, something. You can see a movie, but like you can't talk during a movie. My favorite YouTube channel? Oh god. The one that I watch the most religiously is honestly Manny, MUA. I love him. He just seems like such an awesome person, and I love his makeup. He's amazing. And yeah, so Manny. Number of kids I want. I used to want 4. 2 of each, but now I just want 1 of each. So, 2 kids. Do I smoke or drink? I definitely don't smoke. I already said that's a turn off. I hate smoking. But I drink occasionally. I love a good glass of wine. Once a weekish. I don't know. One word that describes me. This is a word I get a lot, so I'm just going to use it. I get sassy a lot. I hear that I'm sassy. Not that it's a bad thing, but I get told a lot that I am sassy, so I'm gonna own it. Okay, my favorite quote is, music is moral law. It gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, a charm to sadness, and life to everything. It is the essence of order and leads to all that is good, just, and beautiful, of which it is the invisible but nevertheless dazzling, passionate, and eternal form. That's by Plato. So that's my favorite quote. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me / get to know me tag. If you liked this video and you enjoyed getting to know me, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every single week. And if you would like, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all at TNVJ. And I actually have Tumblr now, so that'll be linked below. And yeah, so I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget, choose to shine, and I'll see you next time. Bye!